Imagine walking into your kitchen after a long day. You're tired, hungry, and the thought of chopping vegetables or cleaning up dishes makes you groan. But instead of reaching for your phone to order takeout, you just say, "Hey, start dinner." And in minutes, a fully cooked restaurant-quality meal is served, steaming hot, perfectly plated, by a robot. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not anymore, because a $5,000 cooking robot just changed the entire meaning of smart kitchen, and food lovers around the world can't stop talking about it. Meet the ChefBot 5000, the world's first affordable home cooking robot that's making Michelin-level meals without human hands. Developed by a small tech startup with backing from several major appliance companies, this robotic chef has become the hottest kitchen gadget of the year. But here's the twist. It doesn't just heat pre-made meals or follow simple recipes. It actually cooks from scratch, tasting, adjusting, and even plating your dish like a professional chef. People who've tried it say the flavors are so authentic it's almost unsettling. Before we dive into how this robot works and what makes it so mind-blowing, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, because we're exploring the wildest innovations that are changing everyday life faster than you can say, "Dinner's ready." The idea of a robot chef isn't new. Tech companies have teased prototypes for years, but they were either too bulky, too expensive, or too unreliable to be practical. That is, until a team of engineers and chefs joined forces to build something different. Their goal? A compact robot that could fit in a normal kitchen, use real ingredients, and deliver real flavor, not frozen food reheated by an algorithm. After 3 years of testing, the result was the ChefBot 5000, a robot priced under $5,000 that could slice, stir, flip, and season with near-human precision. So how does it actually work? At the heart of the ChefBot is an advanced AI cooking system powered by over 20,000 recipe data points collected from professional chefs. Its 2 robotic arms can mimic human motion, dicing vegetables, cracking eggs, sautéing onions, and even plating a dish with restaurant-grade finesse. Hidden inside are smart sensors that measure temperature, texture, and even taste. Yes, taste. An electronic tongue analyzes the balance of flavors, saltiness, and sweetness, allowing it to adjust seasonings mid-recipe. It's like having Gordon Ramsay's instincts inside a machine that never gets tired or burns food. The robot also uses a self-cleaning system that washes its tools automatically, meaning you don't lift a finger before or after your meal. The ChefBot went viral after a live demo stunned the crowd at the International Kitchen Tech Expo. In front of hundreds of journalists, the robot whipped up a complex 3-course meal, seared salmon, risotto, and a molten chocolate cake, all at once. Food critics were skeptical at first, until they tasted it. One reviewer described the meal as indistinguishable from a human chef's cooking, maybe even better. Within 24 hours, the video of that demo hit 20 million views. People couldn't believe a robot could balance flavors, plate beautifully, and even adjust timing to ensure every dish came out hot and synchronized. Now, what does this mean for us humans? Well, it's more than just convenience. This could revolutionize how we think about cooking, nutrition, and even the restaurant industry. Imagine small restaurants using ChefBots to reduce costs and maintain consistency, or busy professionals who finally get to eat healthy, freshly cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. The ChefBot can prepare everything from sushi and pasta to curries and desserts, all customizable through a smartphone app. Users can tweak spice levels, choose ingredients, or upload their own family recipes for the AI to learn. It's not just a gadget, it's an entire culinary assistant that learns your preferences over time. Now, of course, not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that food is about emotion, creativity, and human touch, things no machine can truly replicate. And some worry about what happens when machines replace cooks in restaurants or homes. But developers insist the goal isn't to remove humans, it's to free them from repetitive chores and let creativity shine elsewhere. Still, the ChefBot faces challenges, occasional software bugs, limited ingredient recognition, and the need for maintenance. But even with those, users agree it's already one of the most impressive household robots ever made. Whether you see it as the future of fine dining or the end of home cooking, one thing's for sure. The world's first truly affordable cooking robot has arrived, and it's not just making meals, it's making history. The ChefBot 5000 proves that the fusion of AI and culinary art isn't science fiction anymore. It's dinner time. So the next time you step into your kitchen, imagine what it would feel like to have your own personal chef powered by circuits and code waiting to serve your favorite meal, perfectly cooked, every single time. Because in the age of intelligent machines, even the kitchen just got smarter.